You should do van life, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Filling her up. We're at the good old RaceTrac for our morning coffee. So we have one car, a Coca-Cola truck, and literally no one else except for that car. I don't think I've ever seen a gas station this empty. Beautiful morning. It's actually nice and cool. It's not too hot yet. So we are, what are we doing? Putting the floors in. And we have our broken solar panel bucket. Oh, and they actually sent us another one. But stay tuned. So Alphonse is caulking that box right there, which is covering the gas hose. And then we're going to vacuum the floors, and then we're going to put down sheets of foam board. You can actually see them outside. So those blue sheets of foam board. And where's the plywood, babe?
It should have came.
Oh, the plywood's underneath the foam board. So we'll put all of that hopefully on the floors today. We are just waiting for Larry to come back. He went on a walk somewhere. Don't know where he is, but we have to get into the shed that's over there. And he has the keys for it. And I tried every single key, and I just couldn't figure it out. So if you gotta wait for him to come back.
Better.
Is it working?
Vaguely.
What are you trying to do?
I'm just trying to seal it the best I can.
So we are currently putting down our foam board insulation. And Alphonse is cutting it up for us. And we already have some down. So ignore the extra pieces, but a little hole for that one. I don't know what that is. And we got this part, so we just need the rest.
Let's see.
I think so. Oh boy, looky there. Almost. Here, wait. Add this one in. Will this work?
I think it will.
You need a break. You need a break. What you doing?
Looking at something.
What's the something?
I was hoping I could adjust this a smidge so not so much blade is sticking out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So Alphonse is going to cut the plywood. And it's coming through. Alright, so we got another strip of the foam board down. We were able to customize around the box, and then we just got to do the rest. And then put the flooring down. Yay! Bobby! Hi, Josie! Yeah, don't get near the saw. No. Josie, come. Can you do it? Oh, no.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to have to use the jigsaw, but I might not have a choice.
Here, I can step on it.
Okay.
Oh. We're good.
So awkward. slight angle.
Yay! Yay!
Stupid piece of metal is a problem, though.
Oh.
Just pressed it.
No.
I gotta mark it somehow.
Oh, I see.
Okay, that didn't work at all. I wish I just cut it out of the bus. Kind of weird they just like cut it flush and not all the way out.
Yeah.
Well, how much does it make it stick up? Because maybe it's a non-issue.
I would consider it a non-issue. It's going to be the bed is here anyway.
Yeah. Well, actually the water tank will be like in this area. Okay, so it should be fine.
Good talk. Okay. Sorry for all the lines on my face. That is from the respirator mask that we were using because we were going, or what were we doing? We were gluing down the floors and the foam board, and then all of a sudden I see a mouse going on the cords and I'm like, Alphonse, there's a mouse! And I tried to find it because it went here and then I heard him squeak from here, which scared me silly because it was right behind me. So we have a mouse. What you doing?
Making a little piece to cover up the gas area on the edge.
Over there? It's hard to hear you when you have your respirator on.
It smells bad right now.
Yeah. So we've gotten a lot of the floors down. This one we still need to cut. This one right here. You can see how I have my little highlighter marker, so then we know where to cut it. And yeah, but we only have like that odd spot. We have like a strip where Alphonse is sitting. We have that spot right there. And then this spot. But other than that, our flooring is good to go. The Lord definitely gave us a huge blessing today. You can see the wind in the trees. There's a nice breeze. And it was actually raining earlier today. Alphonse was doing some stuff on the roof and we had to stop and put everything under the trees. So I didn't want to get wet, but overall it's been really nice and the sun is just starting to peek through, but it's been great weather. Thank you, Lord. We're so thankful. And we are getting a lot done. The morning started off pretty rough. Just one thing after another, but it's turning around for the better. Look who we have here. Say hi, Chelsey. Say hi, Chelsey. We have Jennifer and George. Chelsey, smile. Oh, goodness. Yes, can I help you? Can I help you? How's it going?
It's going.
Is it almost done? Yay, okay. Somebody stole my chair. Look what I got. So we are renting a pickup truck for the weekend because we got to go pick up seats, and we, of course, it would not fit in our little rinky-dink car. So we have to pick up seats today, and then we have to get more plywood because apparently 1/4-inch plywood differs in thickness. Who knew? 1/4-inch of hardwood plywood is way thinner than 1/4-inch pine hardwood. So our floor is too thin, so we have to go to the store. So we got a pickup truck, so it's fun so far. The pedals are a little weird, you know, because you gotta get used to them, but I like it. We're back at Lowe's and we have our little cart because we gotta get some plywood and what else, babe? Plywood, caulking, other stuff, according to Alphonse. Woo. There's Alphonse getting some steel plate metal. We have our sheet metal to reinforce the chairs, the seats that we're putting in, and we have our caulking. All right, so we're back from Lowe's, and we got the wood. We have our car seats right here. I have them covered so that they don't get faded in the sun right now, but we have our driver's seat and our passenger seat. We have our wood from Lowe's, and we actually rented this beauty from Enterprise. Thank you, Enterprise, for the day so that we could get the wood and the seats. We had to pick up these seats from Irving and drive them over here. And now Alphonse is working on getting the solar panels. We still have 2 more to get them on the roof. And yeah, it's really hot. Ugh, it's so hot right now. So see how much work we can get done. Lots of water today. We're at Dave and Buster's for a date night, right?
Yep.
And we have to decide what we want. So how's it going? How was your day at work? You don't say much, do you? Huh? Oh no! Oh. The game keeps breaking. Aww. Is it my turn? No? Oh, so close. Yay, my turn. The milk jug toss. You try and get it on that thing?
Hey, 60 tickets.
Yay! Alright, we are playing Jack's High is what we're playing. Go get him, babe. That's weird. You gotta put him in there.
Oh, yeah.
And they come out there. Yay! Oh, so close.
Oh.
Yay! Yay! Woohoo!
Okay, just continue. Alright.
It keeps going up. 80. So we have the Wicked Tuna game. Interesting. Press cast to hook the desired fish. Okay. is that a big whopping tuna?